welcome. All right, today we're gonna do fried dumpling. Some people call it Johnny cake, some people call it bake, but I don't say Johnny cake. I would rather say Susie cake. But anyway, this is fried dumpling I'm doing today, and we have our flour right here. And all right, here we go now. We have our flour right here, but guess what? Some people make fried dumpling, they put butter in it, they put milk in it. I don't put those things. All I put in my fried dumpling is just flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, and I use warm water to make my dumpling. And after I make my dough, I don't make it like the regular dough. I make it a little bit moist. Okay? And then I put it on top of the stove to just catch a little heat for maybe like about 20 minutes. I don't make the regular fried dumpling what people make. I put cornmeal and other little stuff, butter. I know I don't do that. This is how I make my fried dumpling. All right. Here we go again. All right. This is my baking powder. I'm gonna put. This is like a pound and a half of flour. Yeah, a pound and a half. So I'm gonna put like 3 spoonfuls of this. 1, 2, 3. Just tip a little bit more in it. All right. This is my sugar. All right. Maybe about for a pound and a half of flour, I maybe put like about 4 teaspoons of sugar in it. All right. This is my salt. I'm gonna put like 1 and little teaspoon of salt. You know what? Yeah, just 1 and little. All right. I'm gonna mix it together now. All right, this is my warm water, close to hot. You see, this some people say, oh, that's not fried dumpling. He's maybe making fritters. No, it's not fritters. This is fried dumpling. All right. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water to it. And remember, if you're at home, you're gonna add water. You don't want to put too much water. All right, this is this is basically it now. And then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this on top of the stove to catch some heat for about 25 minutes. You see how it look like this? All right, it's all nice. You may be wondering, oh, you see, you're gonna make fried dumpling with that. All right, you're gonna see. Just wait for it. So I'm gonna cover it now and put it on top of the stove. Just let it rise for maybe about, as I said, about 20 minutes. All right? Yeah, on top of the stove where the heat is on. All right. All right. This is my dough right here. Okay. It's not too hard. It's not too soft, but it's more on the softer side. All right. And this is my flour. What I'm gonna do, every time I'm gonna show you the process. All right. So this is how I'm doing it now. Once my dumplings start, once the oil get hot, I turn the stove down a little bit. All right. This is my dough. As I said, I put it on top of the stove to just get some heat, just for it to rise a little bit. So if you notice, it rise a little. And this is my flour right here. I add nothing to this flour. This is just pure flour. Okay. So here we go now. My oil is already hot. All right, my flour is right here. Here we go. I like to put my hand in the flour first, right? So this is it. And you mix it around a little bit in the flour. All right. oil a little bit down. And you don't want it to be fried on a high fire. And you don't want to turn it too low neither, so it suck up too much of the oil, alright? So this take maybe like about 7-8 minutes. Yeah. As I said, the only thing I put in my fried dumpling is just basically baking powder, sugar, salt, flour, and warm water. Yes, warm water. And no butter, no cornmeal. I mean, if you want to put cornmeal, you can, but I don't put any cornmeal in it. And see, this is getting there. It's looking good. You don't want the fire to be too high nor too low, so it's like mid-range. It's looking good now, it's getting there. But please, once your dumplings start frying, please turn your stove down. And you don't want them to do too fast. So it's best if you put your stove like maybe, if like instead of full, you put it like about half. Once the oil is hot, just turn your stove down. These are getting real nice colors. And you gotta be keep moving your dumplings. Don't let it stay on one side too much. And you don't want one side to be browner than one side. You want both sides to have the same color. Alright, the first one. Looking real lovely. I'm gonna eat some of this with some cabbage and saltfish. You notice the color? Golden brown. Golden brown. No dark spot. Golden brown. You just have to keep monitoring that. Because you want each side to be on the same page. You don't want one side. I mean, if one side you go a little bit darker, but you don't want that to happen. And you don't want inside to be raw. You want to have the fire at a low level, so inside and outside well done. Look at this. I know you guys would love some of this now, eh? I know you'd really love some of this now. Look at this. Golden, golden. Look at this. Look at this. Golden brown fried dumplings. Golden brown. Here, I got my yellow plantain with it too. I got 2 slices of tomato. And this is my cook-up saltfish. Looking real good. I'm gonna have some of this. Woo! I can't wait to. But please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you all for watching my videos. God bless.